Yes, in last two videos we have discussed concentration term, percentage and strength and based numerical. Now in this video we are going to study about mass fraction. In solution we study two components, that is solute and solvent. Solvent is taken as 1 and solute is taken as B component. Mass fraction may be defined as the ratio of mass of one component divided by total mass of all the components that present in solution. For example, if we want to calculate mass fraction of A, then it is equal to weight of A divided by weight of solution, and solution made up of two components A and B. So weight of A divided by weight of A plus weight of B. Mass fraction of B component can be calculated by dividing mass of B component divided by total mass of solution, that is WB plus WA. What is the relationship between mass fraction and mass percentage? Mass fraction into 100, that from this calculation we can calculate mass percentage. So mass percentage is equal to mass fraction into 100. So from this video, from this part, it is clear that what is mass fraction. Now what is mole fraction? Again, mole fraction, it is the ratio between moles of one component to the total number of moles of solution, that is may be called total number of moles of all components that present in solution. Let solution is made up of two components A and B. Its weight is WA, WB. Molecular mass of A component is MA. Molecular mass of B component is MB. First of all, we calculate number of moles of A, that is equal to weight upon molecular mass. Number of moles of B, that is equal to WB upon MB. Now, what is mole fraction? Mole fraction of A is equal to number of moles of A divided by total number of moles of solution, that is Na divided by Na plus Nb. Mole fraction of B component is equal to number of moles of B divided by total number of moles of A plus B, that are the two components which present in solution. Sum of mole fractions of all components that present in solution is always equal to 1. In this, we take solution component is A and B. So mole fraction of A is XA, mole fraction of B is XB, and their sum is 1. Now next term is part per million. As we define percentage, in the same manner we can define part per million. The number of parts by mass or volume of one component per million parts by mass and volume of solution. It means part per million can be calculated in term of mass, that is mass of A component divided by mass of solution into 10 की raised power 6. In term of volume, volume of A component divided by volume of solution into 10 की raised power 6. From this calculation, we can calculate part per million in term of mass and in term of volume. So, I hope all of you understand what is mass fraction, how it is related with mass percentage, and what is mole fraction, and mole fraction of all the components that present in solution is 1. It is very important from numerical point of view. And what is part per million. Thank you.